Russell Gordon from buzzinternetmarketing.co.uk. Today we've got Jamie Dobson from iNet Insights, and Jamie's going to be talking to us today about how we can use Twitter for the benefit of our business.
Yes.
Why does Twitter benefit small businesses?
Well, Twitter as a tool is a very social tool. It's a bit like constant conversations with people, if you like. It's not just a case of telling people this is what I'm having for lunch and this is where I'm going now and that type of thing. So most small businesses use the personalities of the people who own the business to in effect sell their products and their services. So if you think about it, what people are doing for your business and for mine as well, to be honest, people are buying into me when they buy into my business. So they're building up a relationship with me as well as my business as well as my company. So Twitter helps small businesses to do that, because what you're doing is you start to develop relationship with people, albeit online. And part of that relationship is maybe talking about trivial subjects, because that's what people do. They just talk about what's happening out on the roads, that type of stuff. But also, Twitter is great for identifying people in your locality. You can use the advanced search facility on Twitter to find people who are talking about things that you're interested in. Maybe it's, let's say, in Leeds or Bradford or in Wakefield, and people who are interested in those particular cities. And if that's where your customers want to be, or you want your customers to be, then you can find that. If that's where they're located, you can easily find that. So Twitter is all about developing relationships, engaging with people, and then finding people in your locality. And that's where it starts to come into its own for a small business owner.